Cobin Plessinger, Excavator Challenge, male, veteran, RX. Skill verification, 35-pound kettlebell.
Okay.
35-pound floor. I'm gonna wear a belt, so I'll just put all this on. I got wristbands, nothing underneath.
Man, you did get weak.
207.
Yeah.
Alright. Especially the soul. I think I'm retaining what to do.
It's probably a good thing. Okay, let it sit and then we'll take it off and then show it. 151.
Yeah. Measurements. On the ground. About almost 12 inches.
Yeah.
Say the circumference around the bottom. About 54. Middle. A little under 54. Top.
53. Did you do the top? Okay.
The diameter on the top. So, 16.
Did you do the radius?
Ain't nothing. Bottom, there's no overlap. That's cool. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
You want me to play that song again?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready? Do you want me to put the timer on there? Huh? Don't?
Yeah. Try to start the timer.
At the same time? Okay, hold
Or
on.
you know what? Don't even worry about the timer.
Okay, I'll just tell you. I'll just tell
Or
you.
no, you know what? Start it because you're gonna be counting the reps, so I don't want you to feel like
Okay,
you gotta do two things at once and lose track.
okay. Are you ready?
Oh, let me show a chart too.
Oh, yeah.
Some chalk here.
Okay. Okay. Alright, you just tell me when you're ready.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay. Alright, 15 seconds. It's the exact time. Alright. 5. And go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. You're doing good. 11. 12. 13. 14. You're at a minute. 15. Halfway there. 16. 17. 18. 19. Come on, Cobin. 20. 21. Come on. 22. 23. 24. 25. Come on, Cobin, let's go. 26. 27. You're at 2 minutes. 28. Come on. 29. Come on, Cobin, let's go. 30. Nice. Nice job. Oh, God. That looks awful. Nice job.
What was my time?
Like 2:10.
Alright, that's good.
Good. Nice job. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Am I still going?